Now I've been looking for something that would keep me toasty during the winter times, and I came across this OCOOPA rechargeable hand warmer. Now, as you can see, it is pretty compact, comes in this really cool box, and I wanted to open it up and show you guys what's inside. So I've just got the box here. I can slide open the top just like this, and you can see it is really nicely packaged. It comes with a little bit of a tag, and you can see that it is contained in here in this nice little bag, and the hand warmer is just sitting right here. So I can pop it out and just slide it out of this plastic, and already I just really am liking this. It is very high quality design. I really like that it fits nice and snug in the hand, just like this. And the whole entire thing will heat up and warm using 3 different settings, going anywhere from say 100 Fahrenheit all the way to 130. So this is looking really great. You can see that you can plug it up using USB or USB-C, and so it's got quite a lot of different charging options. And what's great is that the main sort of button here to keep it charged is just right at thumb's distance. So if you want to turn it on, you can just press down and hold, and it will activate setting 1. Now it's really hard to see, but instantly I can feel the heat just radiating through this device here, and it just feels great in the hand. I can just click that to go up to level 2, and click it again to go up to level 3. Now it's great because the warming is coming around this padded area here and then radiating through the rest of the device. So you can just hold it in your hand just like that, and it is nice and warm. So this I find just to be super useful in those colder temperatures when you just want to be out and about but wanted something that you can fit in your pocket. It has already heated up to maximum capacity and feels super nice in the hand. So if you're looking for something quick, this would definitely be it. When you're done, you can just hold it down and it will turn off all of those lights and go back to normal. So this holds up to about 5,000 milliamps of battery, so plenty of charge for a good amount of time, made with some really high quality materials. So if you're looking for a hand warmer, I would highly recommend checking this one out.